Hey guys, DodgeZen here. Feel like doing a blaster premiere. It's good old days. They're quickly vanishing. Season 2's just upon us. So let's rip a blaster. I've had a lot of fun with these. I've opened up hundreds of them, and they've been a lot of fun. Customers have hit great ones. Much better than me, I tell you that. I think we're up to of all my breaks, of all my whatnot shows, between me and my customers, between all the history packs and Invincible packs that we've broken and opened, and we had box battles for the last year plus. I think we're up to 39 one-of-ones. 39. We've hit multiple one-of-ones out of these blaster boxes. Some I sold as low as $15. I've given packs away that have hit one-of-ones. A lot of the customers on eBay hit one-of-ones, and the reviews they leave tell me they hit. Bunch of whatnot. It's been a lot of fun. A lot of fun breaking these and ripping these packs and boxes. And I saw this one sitting there, and I'm like, yeah, let's break it. Let's have some fun. See what we get. Cursed. Get my grubby fingers off it. Kill Cannon, Omni-Man, and Bebop. Bebop on the hollow. Isotope. Oh, we got a nice one. We got a nice one. I think it's a one-of-one. I think we hit a one-of-one, guys. I think we hit one. Second pack in. Speaking of one-of-ones, I think we did. Isotope. Robot. Duplicate. See it? You see it? You see it? I've opened so many. What do we got there, guys? What do we got there? What do we got there, guys? One-of-one. One-of-one, guys. The Clone Maulers. Look at that, guys. And I don't have any sleeves out here. Oh, my goodness. And I don't have any sleeves. Oh, my goodness. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? Bang. Look at that, guys. How fun is that? Too bad it's not the original, but I will take it all day long. Finally. I've opened so many for others. Number 261. Look at that. Look at that. Bang, bang, bang on the second pack of a Blaster Premier. I gotta get me a sleeve. I might have to take, I got a Star Wars over there. I'm gonna have to look at it. I might have to pull it out and replace it. Now I have seen more than one of one come out of a box. Darkwing, Bebop, Invincible, and Debbie on the pop art. Wow. One-of-one clone. Love it, love it, love it. Now that's exciting. That is some fun stuff. That is some fun stuff. Martian Man. Duplicate. Adam Eve. And the Flaxens, the blue hollow. Matching Flaxens, color match. I think that may be my relic. $4D would be nice. I don't think we can get them in here. We can get us issue 1 though. Samantha, Invincible. Call that my Father's Day card. Bebop and a blood splatter. Oh, here we go. We got ourselves a God Blaster. Mr. Allen the Alien, Houdini himself, super hard to rip, and we got a blood splatter. What a box, guys. What a box. We still got 3 more packs to go. Now that's exciting. That's some fun. That is some serious fun right there. Furnace, we got another blood splatter. We got a crazy box here. Invincible, we got ourselves a wicked box. And another blood splatter. Look at that. Dual Signograph blood splatter. Omni and Cecil. Wow. 2 to go. 2 to go. What do we got? Machine Head. We got a die cut. Invinci. Got ourselves a die cut. Duplicate. And bang! Rexplode. On the hollow die cut. Nice. And our relic. What could our relic be on this fantastic box? What could it be? I'm going to save this wrapper and put that 1 of 1 in it till I get myself a sleeve. Amber, Invinci, Bebop, Robot, and Mr. Robot. Nice. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. What a box. What a hit. What a hit. Look at that. Is that a thing of beauty? Is that a thing of beauty? That sure is. All right, guys. I mean, that was epic. Another epic break. That was fun. Like, share, comment, subscribe. That was great. I appreciate y'all. Share. Let's get to 100,000 views. I think I'm currently at just over 40. Let's get to 100,000 views. Maybe I'll give something fancy away. Yeah, I appreciate y'all. I got to get that in a sleeve. A banging 1 of 1. Mauler clone. Let's go. Who's excited for season 2? All right, till we meet again, I hope you thrive.